AI is changing everything, from how we work to how we make money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, AI tools can help you work smarter and earn money easier. Stick around as we break down the easiest AI-driven careers and how you can get started to earn money today. First up, AI-powered stock trading. AI analyzes massive amounts of market data in real time, making trading easier even for beginners. You may be wondering how to get started. Here's the way. Use AI trading bots like Trade Ideas AI, Binance AI, and eToro AI to automate trading. AI tools like Trend Spider detect market patterns and suggest buy or sell points. And if long-term investing is your thing, AI robo-advisors like Wealthfront handle your portfolio. Second, freelancing with AI tools is a game changer. AI helps with writing, graphic design, video editing, and even coding. Want to write blogs, ads, or resumes? Try ChatGPT or Jasper AI. If graphic design is your thing, use Canva AI or Midjourney to create stunning visuals. Developers can speed up coding with GitHub Copilot. With AI, freelancing is easier than ever. Third, AI is also transforming e-commerce and dropshipping. AI helps find winning products, optimize ads, and automate customer service. Use Sell the Trend or Ecom Hunt to find trending products. Automate your store with Shopify AI, and let AI-powered tools like AdCreative.ai boost your marketing. Besides that, creating content has become easier with AI. You can automate YouTube videos, social media posts, and even blog writing. Use ChatGPT for scripting, then tools like Pictory or Runway ML to create AI-driven videos. For social media, Canva AI designs eye-catching posts in seconds. Moving on, AI automation services for businesses. Businesses need automation, and you can provide that. AI can automate customer service, marketing, and admin tasks. Set up chatbots like ManyChat or Drift to handle FAQs. Automate social media with Buffer AI. Use AdCreative.ai to create high-performing ads. Businesses are willing to pay for these services, so why not turn it into your income stream? Here's the list. Conclusion. Making money with AI in 2025 is easier than ever. From stock trading to freelancing and e-commerce, AI is your key to financial freedom. Which AI career are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. We need your support to subscribe, click like, share if you find this video helpful, as the motivation for us to produce more free videos.